Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you Instagram's brand new update called Live Rooms. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card vouchers to a random subscriber every week. You just need to subscribe and comment on my latest video for this week. Winners will be announced on Sunday, 7th March 2021. Live Room gives you the ability to go live on Instagram with up to 3 people. Before, you could go live with only one other person in a stream, but now Instagram is letting you invite 3 other people who you could go live with. I'll show you how to do this, and I'll be joining 2 accounts to the live rooms. So here I have 2 different phones, one Android and one iPhone. I'll show you how to start off the live session on the Android phone and on the iPhone. Both of the processes are similar, and I'll make the iPhone the host of the live room. Then once the live room is set up, I'll show you different ways of how to join the live room. So on your phone, open the Instagram app and tap on the plus symbol. Now you'll come to this screen, swipe all the way to the right until you see live option. Now before we start the live room, we need to set up the room properly. So on your screen on the left hand side, you'll see 2 icons. The first one is title, where you can title this live session. The second one is fundraiser, where you can select a non-profit organization for people to donate to. Both of these options are optional and not a requirement to start a live session. You can start a live session without it. Now, once you're ready to go live, you just need to tap on the shutter button on your screen. It will check your connection and then it'll go live right away. So now this Instagram account is live and people can join this live session. Instagram also starts notifying your followers that you are live. So the first way to join a live room is by tapping on the notification and then tapping on the user's profile to join the room. Once you enter the host live room session, you should see a request option pop up to join the host on live. So go ahead and request this. On the phone that is hosting it, you should see this request come through. Approve the request if you would like to go live with that person. Now the second way is by inviting the person to the live session. You can do this by pressing the double person icon on the host phone at the bottom. Then search for the Instagram account and then send him or her the request. Once you do that, a notification will pop up on the other person's phone and he or she has to tap on it to join the live session. As you invite more people to the live session, your screen will divide into 3 sections or 4 sections. The maximum you can invite is 3 more people to this live session. Since you are the host, you control this live room, so no one else can start another live session and join your party. This live room is a great way for creators to earn money and build a business. You can start a talk show, host a jam session, or collab with artists, host more engaging question and answers, or teach your followers how to cook, or just hang out with more of your friends. And there you go guys, this is the new update from Instagram for live rooms. Please subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and I post social media tutorials on this channel every single day. So don't forget to enable the bell notification to see all my videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.